Namaste everyone, myself Yashaswini from Shloka Chant with Yashu. Today we will be learning meaning for the first two verses of a Mahishasuramardini. I hope most of you know the story of a Mahishasuramardini. So let's know the meaning for first two stanza. The first stanza goes like this. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Krite Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. So let's know the meaning for this one. So I means mother, Amma. The Supreme Mother, Devi, is a Supreme Mother for the whole universe, for the entire universe. Giri Nandini, Giri is a mountain. So Giri Nandini, who is a daughter of the king of mountains, Ayi Giri Nandini, O Mother, you are the daughter of the king of mountains, Nandita Medini. So here, Nandita means the joy. So by whose presence the whole world is filled with the joy. By Devi's presence, the whole world is filled with the joy. Vishwa Vinodini. So the whole world is like a divine play for this Devi Ma. Nandinute. Nandi here refers to the Nandi, the Shiva's Vahana, who is praised. Devi is praised by Nandi. Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute. Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini. Nivasini means the one who resides. Nivasa is a residential place. Nivasini, the one who resides. So where the Devi is residing here? Devi is residing in a Vindhya mountain. Girivara Vindhya. Giri refers to the mountain. I already told you. Vishnu Vilasini. How the Vishnu is connected to Devi? So Devi and Vishnu, they are brother and sister. So Vishnu Vilasini, who give a joy to Bhagavan Vishnu, has his sister. So Devi is his sister. Jishnu Nute, Jishnu refers to Indra. Devi is the one who is worshipped and adorned by Lord Indra. Shiti Kantha Kutumbini, Girivara Vindhya, Shirodini Vasini, Vishnu Vilasini, Jishnunate. So next one is a Bhagavati. Heshiti Kanta Kutumbini. Bhagavati, Devi is referred as a Bhagavati. Oh Bhagavati, hey Bhagavati Ma, you are the wife of Shiva. Kantha, Shiti Kantha Kutumbini. So Shiti Kantha refers to Shiva. Kutumbini means the wife, partner. You are the wife of Shiva. Bhuri Krite. So you are the one who fulfill all kind of wishes of your devotees. You are the guardian of this entire universe. You are the one who is a fulfiller of all the kind of wishes. You are the guardian of this universe. The last line remains same everywhere. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini. So Jaya is a victory. More and more victory to you, Mahishasuramardini, the one who slayed Mahishasura, Ramyakapardini, who is very elegant and who has a very beautiful hair. So it's a tribute to the charm and the beauty of a Devi. Shailasute, Shaila refers to the mountain, who is a daughter of a Shailendra, the lord of a mountain. So this is a meaning for the first stanza. We'll go to the second one. So the first stanza basically it talks that she's a daughter of the mountain and she'll give the joy to the entire universe. Next one. Suravara Varshini Duddara Darshini Durmukha Varshini Harsharate Tribhuvana Poshini Shankara Toshini Kalmasha Moshini Ghosharate Danujani Roshini Diti Sutaroshini Durmada Shoshini Sindhu Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Apologize for my singing. So Suravara Varshini. Sura refers to the Deva. Vara means the boon. So Devi is the one who showers. So Varsha here refers to the rain. The one who showers the boon as a rain for all the Deva, that is Suravara Varshini. Durdara Darshini. So who is overpowered? A demon called a Durdara. So who is Devi? She overpowered demon Durdara, the Asura Durdara, and she killed Durdara. She made Durdara to fail there. Durmukha Varshini, Durmukha Marshini, and also there is one more Asura called as a Durmukha. So she endured Durmukha, she slayed Durmukha. Harsharate, so by doing the slaying her enemy, Devi will become so joy. So Harsharate, she is the one who creating the joy and happiness for everyone as well by removing all kind of evils and the negative everywhere. Tribhuvana Poshini Shankara Toshini, Tribhuvana Poshini. So Tribhuvana, 3 refers to the 3. So she is the one who sustains, who nourishes all the 3 worlds. Tribhuvana Poshini, Shankara Toshini. Shankara refers to the Lord Shiva. She is the one who pleases Lord Shiva immensely. Kalmasha Moshini. Kalmasha refers to the sin, the bad practices, the evil action, the one who removes all kind of a sin, bad practices and the evil action. Ghosharate. So she is by how she does this? She by indulging in the battle. She does all these things by removing all kind of evil thing, all evil actions, negative actions. Danuja Niroshini. So she is the one who put an end to the anger of Danavas. Danava are the one who were born from Danu. Danujani Roshini, Ditisuta Roshini, and she is the one who was very angry with the sons of a Diti, so Asuras. So she is the one who was very angry with them. So that says that she is the one who took care of Diti Suta. Suta refers to the sun. Durmada Shoshini. So she also made sure that who dried up all kind of a foolish act, the foolish pride, the ego that all Asura they were carrying. So Devi made sure that she dried up. Dried up means so she killed all those kind of a ego. She removed ego and pride that Asuras they were carrying in their head. Sindhu Sute. So who is Mata? Mata. Sute is a daughter. She is a daughter of the king and the ocean. That is a Mahalakshmi. She is referred here. Sindhu Sute. See, she is the king of a ocean. So last one, king of a mountain. Now it's a king of a ocean. So this is the meaning for the second stanza. So here in this video, we covered the meaning for the first and second stanza. Hope it was helpful for you. If you find any corrections, please do let me know in the comment section. So that will be helpful for me to correct in my future classes. And my sincere apologies in that case if there was any corrections there. So thank you so much. I'll see you all in one more video. If you want any such meanings of any other stotrams, please do let me know in the comment section. So it will be helpful for me to work on those and to prepare more such videos in future. Thank you so much. Namaskara.